Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out a snack using half cup of rice flour. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a pan, add half cup of rice flour, half cup of curd, half cup of water, and half teaspoon of salt. Give it a nice mix and make sure the batter is lump-free. When you're ready with a smooth dough, on the flame and start stirring. Keep the flame in medium. The batter will start to thicken up. When you achieve the falling consistency of the flame and allow it to cool completely, now the batter is nice and cool, so go ahead and add 1 onion very finely chopped, 1 green chilli chopped and few coriander leaves chopped. Give it a nice mix. With your hands, pull out a small portion, form a hole in the center with your thumb and drop it directly to hot oil. Keep the flame in medium and fry. Flip it to the other side. Fry until the rice flour vada is completely done on both sides. Now the rice flour vada is nice and golden brown, so remove and serve it nice and hot. Definitely a very delicious and crispy snack for your evening tea. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.